Hello student. Today we'll start new chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce. Before we discuss the mechanism by which organisms reproduce, let us ask some more basic questions. Why do organisms reproduce? First of all, I will tell briefly about the definition of reproduction. The production of new organisms from the existing organisms of the same species is known as reproduction. When the individual organism is going to create more individuals, a lot of its energy will be spent in the process. So, why should an individual organisms waste energy on a process? It does not need to stay alive. This is very interesting that reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on this earth. So, living organisms produce more organisms of their kind to maintain the life of their species on this earth. The process of reproduction ensures continuity of life on earth. For example, human being. Can see here, human being produced by giving birth to babies, sons and daughters. These babies grow and ultimately become adults. So when the old parents die, their sons and daughters keep living on this earth. These sons and daughters also reproduce by giving birth to more babies, and this process goes on and on. Thus, reproduction by human beings ensures that the human species will continue to exist on this earth for all the time to come. Next, you can see here similarly, dogs reproduce by giving birth to puppies so that their species may continue to living on this earth. Most of the plants, you can see here, most of the plants reproduce by producing seeds to grow more plants so that their species may continue to live on this earth. Now I will explain you about the reproduction types. Okay, different types of reproduction. Here you can see there are many different ways in which new organisms are reproduced from their parents. Some organisms like amoeba just split into two parts, produce new amoeba. Some organisms like hydra and yeast grow out of the parent's body in the form of a bird. Some organisms like birds and snake hatch from the egg. You can see example, an amoeba reproduces by splitting into two parts to form two amoeba. Here you can see chicken is hatched from the egg, and tiger cubs are born, see here, from their mothers tigers. Okay, so children, now there are different methods of reproduction, or mainly two methods of reproduction, that are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now I will tell you briefly about the asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the offspring arises from a single parent. The production of a new organisms from a single parent without the involvement of sex cells or gametes is called asexual reproduction. It is called asexual reproduction because it does not use special cells called sex cells or gametes for producing new organisms. In sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, a part of the parent organism separates to form parents to produce a new organism, but not sex cells are involved in asexual reproduction. For example, binary fission in amoeba. Here only you can see binary fission in amoeba. It splits into two. And budding in hydra, spore formation. There are other also more. In the next class, I will explain you about this. Okay, children, bye.